My name's Jo Marie, and I've been helping out with Liza a little bit to get you guys started in Brightspace, and I just thought it'd be nice to have a little video for you just in case some things are missed or confusing. Maybe some of you are really familiar with Brightspace, so this is just going to be a quick review for you. Right now we're just looking at the home of your Brightspace course for Certified Nurse Aide. This is where you're going to find announcements, and between Liza and myself, you'll probably see 1 to 2 announcements per week, and they just kind of come out as we decide we need to post something for you. Maybe it's really general, maybe it's specific. That's where this is going to be located. Course updates is on the right side of your announcements, and that'll change every time you log in, and every week you'll see something else that you need to do. We have a quiz with every module. You guys have module 2 and 3 available, so I'm thinking that you guys might see that there's one quiz not attempted for you to take the first few days that you're working in Brightspace, but eventually there should be another quiz that opens up, and that's for module 3. I'm going to jump over to content. If you guys go to content, you're really going to see everything we're doing in the class. Content is your lecture. The first thing I'm hoping you guys will take time to read is the overview. Kind of just like our expectations and what you're going to need to do to keep up your attendance and your grade as we finish up the CNA class. Scroll down from overview and you get down to a few other things. You can click on all of these, by the way. Ask your questions here. If you have any questions, just click on that. Week 1 is where we are right now. Today is April 20th, and it's the first day of the class online, as I'm looking at this anyways. Perhaps you're going to see this video on a different day. If you click on week 1, you'll see we have module 2 and 3, and they populate right over here. It'll show you how much of this you've actually opened up and gone through. It doesn't mean that you've finished all of your assignments. It just means that you've opened it up, you've been in the class, which is helpful for people that like to see progress. These are instructions for you to be reading, and down below, these are sections that you can click on. Anything that's a link, you are supposed to be opening up and being attentive to. So for like a PowerPoint, you're going to have a PowerPoint to go through. If it's a discussion, you have a discussion assignment to do. The bedpan, that's just a link actually. It's got the lab skill on there just to make sure you guys are getting ready for that skill. And there's module 2's quiz if you needed it. Not many of you did though. I already jumped down into module 3 here. I'm going to go way down to the bottom. Module 3 quiz. Due April 26th at 11:59, starts April 24th. So that's why on your home page it only may say 1 quiz. But it's going to open up on the 24th. So yep, just check there for updates every time you log in. There's not a whole lot that you have to do on this page, but check for announcements and updates. If you guys have used Facebook or Instagram, which I would think everybody here probably has, you're used to getting like a little bell or something every time there's something new. If you click on that, these ones are just specific for myself. They're not all for you. I can look back and see like the last time I was notified of something in the class or other classes I'm in. Here's a message alert. There's email messaging. You have a profile actually that you could update and share more about yourself if you wish. Let's see, what else do you guys want to know? Well, all of these tabs you can click on, your attendance each week. Liza and I will go in and we're going to be tracking what days that you participated online by posting in a discussion forum, either a post or a reply. And there is specific criteria for that. You just need to go ahead and read instructions, and we'll give you a P for the days you were present, an A for any absences. At the end of the week, you should be at 100% attendance with 5 logins. That's what we're looking for. Click on class list. I'm just going to click and show you. This is everyone in the class. Whoops, not everyone. It's a big class. And look at all of you. Everybody's just participating, getting stuff done. So happy for you guys. You found your way here, obviously. Probably don't need a whole lot of help from Liza and I. You can check out your progress if you want to throughout the class. This is a nice tool just to kind of it's just a summary really, but it shows us how much time you've spent in. We are not going to be looking for you to have like a certain number of hours in here because everybody works at a different pace, but we do need to make sure you have all your assignments done. If you click on grades, Liza and I were working out how we're going to be able to offer you a place to see your cumulative grade point average. We don't have that figured out quite yet, but we're hoping to. These are the grade items that you do have available right now in week 1. Next week begins on Monday, April 27th, and there will be more grade items for you, and you'll be able to see how many points they're worth and what you need to do. Down in more tools, there's all kinds of things you can click on. It just depends how you like to move around the course, but really the place you guys are going to spend the majority of your time is just in content, going through the lecture. Please read all the instructions. I tried to make everything as short and like to the point as possible, but there's still a lot of things I had to explain and make sure you knew about. We really hope that this works out for everybody, but we know online learning can be frustrating and you can't be a procrastinator. You have to make some time for this course and try your best to, learn from it, which is also challenging because you're not sitting in school in front of the instructor with your other classmates. You're on your own. So we just really hope that you guys try your hardest, and we're going to hopefully be able to see you at Lab and Clinical very soon. Hope you guys have a great week. Please reach out to us if you need anything. Thanks.